Hi, I am Akbar Zaid, and you are watching Arsh News on Arsh channel. Amidst the ongoing Hamas-Israel conflict, shocking reports have emerged that Israel has crossed all boundaries of war ethics. Innocent Palestinian citizens have been subjected to unimaginable humiliation, as their clothes were forcibly stripped off and their images and videos were broadcasted on national TV. This heinous act has sparked widespread condemnation from Palestinian, Arab, and Muslim officials. Izzat El-Reshiq, a senior Hamas official, described it as a crime against innocent civilians, urging international human rights organizations to intervene and demand the release of those affected. The International Committee of the Red Cross, ICRC, has expressed deep concern over these distressing images, emphasizing that all detainees must be treated with humanity and dignity in accordance with international humanitarian law. As the situation escalates, the world watches closely, hoping for a swift resolution to prevent further suffering. Senior official of the Palestinian Islamist Hamas group, Izzat El-Reshiq, accused Israel of carrying a heinous crime against innocent civilians. Reshiq, who is in exile abroad, urged international human rights organizations to intervene to show what happened to the men and help secure their release. The International Committee of the Red Cross, ICRC, said it was concerned by the images and that all detainees must be treated with humanity and dignity in accordance with international humanitarian law. Iranian Foreign Minister Hossein Amir-Abdollahian, whose country backs Hamas, also criticized Israel, accusing it on X of barbarity in the treatment of innocent captives and citizens. Amir-Abdollahian also condemned Israel's actions, calling it a grave violation of human rights. The disturbing images of stripped Palestinian men have sparked outrage globally, with people demanding justice and accountability. The international community must stand together to condemn these acts and ensure that the rights of all individuals, regardless of their ethnicity or nationality, are respected. It is crucial for human rights organizations to step in and shed light on this issue, holding Israel accountable for their actions. We urge you to share this news and raise awareness about the ongoing atrocities in the Hamas-Israel war. Together, let's strive for justice, peace, and the protection of human rights.